In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove trading pairs from favorites on WhiteBIT. The favorites feature on WhiteBIT makes it easy to keep track of the trading pairs you monitor most often. As your trading interests change, you may want to remove pairs you no longer follow to keep your favorites list organized and easier to navigate. To get started, navigate to Markets located in the top navigation menu. You'll find the list of available trading pairs, along with a separate favorites section that displays the pairs you've previously marked. Open the Star tab to view all of the trading pairs you've saved. This gives you quick access to your preferred markets without having to search through the full list of available trading pairs. Locate the trading pair you want to remove from your favorites. Next to each favorited pair, you'll see a star icon indicating that it has already been added to your favorites list. To remove the pair, simply click or tap the highlighted star icon. Once selected, the star will no longer appear highlighted, confirming that the trading pair has been removed from your favorites. If you decide you'd like to add the trading pair back later, simply search for it in the market list and click the star icon again. The pair will immediately return to your favorites for quick access. And that's how to remove trading pairs from favorites on WhiteBIT.